Welcome to the Web Docs for AP Automation Introductory Series. Today I'm going to start to introduce you to the power of the Web Docs for AP Automation solution. I'm going to be focusing today's presentation around the Web Docs Advanced Capture solution that is the front end to the Web Docs for AP Automation solution and how it can help you automate the document capture, classification, and full data extraction of your incoming invoices and supporting documents. The Advanced Capture solution also removes the need for your AP team to do manual data entry to your ERP and also removes the time-intensive process of 2- and 3-way matching. The WebDocs Advanced Capture solution uses smart process technology and is classified as an intelligent document capture solution to help you control accounts payable invoice processing and other supporting document processing costs. The invoice action module captures the invoices automatically, classifies them, splits them apart, extracts and validates the needed data. In this process, only exception documents need to be handled by a user. The process starts with really, capturing documents automatically capturing them from email inboxes, network folders, or documents can even be scanned directly to the system for automated processing. Here's a look at what's happening behind the scenes after the documents have been captured. The WebDocs Advanced Capture engine behind the scenes takes the documents that have been captured, classifies them to make sure it knows what kind of document it is. After that, it extracts all the required data from the entire invoice at the header and footer and line item level. If the invoices are being emailed to you as an attachment and there's multiple inside that attachment, there's multiple invoices inside of there, no worries. The system interrogates and splits them into the appropriate documents automatically without someone having to open each one of those manually. Business rules are applied and then ran against the document and the data to make sure the data was correctly extracted. Matching data to the ERP can take place at this time as well to ensure that the supporting information is in the ERP or even in the WebDocs DMS system. Now let's take a look at what we call the verification station. The verification station is the AP team's way to look at the documents that do not pass that validation and need some kind of attention. And remember this again, in this process, only the documents that need to be looked at are the exception documents. All the others are processed directly to the system, so no processing volume is an issue. All right, here, let me get into the live demonstration. So this is what we call the verification station. The verification station allows users to be or the AP team from the user standpoint to be able to select what we call batches of documents that might be exceptions. Now there might be one document in that batch, there might be two, there might be three, but what the technology is really doing, it's really providing them a way to be able to look at that invoice quickly or invoices quickly and make those decisions and corrections at that point. So the technology in this case here, you'll see here from a data extraction, I got two documents in this batch. I can see the document over here. Down here below, you'll see that I extracted all the information correctly, but there's an error inside of here. So we actually guide the user to what the error is inside of here, since we know what the process or what failed inside of here and why it's inside this verification station. So they're able to see this information here from the standpoint. They can actually click on this to be able to see that information, to see that there was a PO matching process here and it didn't validate, so there was a deviation or variance, and they can accept that or make any corrections that they need to at that time too. And then they can walk through the rest of the documents as well during this process. In this process here, this is really, think of this as the interactive learning process. So you can teach the software to get smarter as it goes on, right? And there's no typing involved in here. So they can come into this interface here to be able to say, hey, the item number is missing. I need to tell it where the item number is. So as I click on the document over here, it's going to start to fill in that information and it's going to start to remember and learn this information as we go forward in this process. And then the batches are done and then the user can actually hit the send the batch, and it's going to move those documents into the ERP system and into the web docs for AP system as well. I have only scratched the surface of the capability of the web docs for AP automation solution and what it really has to offer. To learn more, feel free to reach out to us and schedule a more in-depth one-on-one full demonstration for your organization.